Hi, dear students. Welcome to Mr. English Clips. I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Michael. If you want to learn English quickly and easily,
This episode is just for you. Good morning, Michael. You look very fresh today and ready for the day ahead.
Good morning, Emily. I slept well, and I feel prepared for today's Palm start.
This coffee shop feels very peaceful today. I enjoy the calm atmosphere here.
Yes, I like coming here because it helps me start my day feeling relaxed.
Are you heading to work now, or do you have some free time this morning?
I will go to work soon, but I enjoy a short walk before I enter the office.
The weather feels really nice today. It is not too hot and not too cold.
I agree completely. Days like this make walking outside so enjoyable and calm.
Did you have breakfast already, or are you still feeling a little hungry?
I ate a small meal, but seeing fresh bread like this makes me very hungry.
Food always seems to win, even when we tell ourselves we are not hungry.
That is very true. It doesn't matter what we plan, food wins every time.
How is your family doing these days? Are they all healthy and feeling well?
They're all doing very well, thank you, and everyone sends warm greetings.
Do you have any plans for the weekend, or will you mostly take it easy?
I will mostly rest at home, maybe watch a movie and enjoy some quiet time.
What kind of movies do you usually enjoy watching after a long day?
I like simple movies that help me relax and make me smile quietly afterward.
Your English is improving every day. Keep practicing and speaking without fear.
Thank you. Practicing with you really helps my speaking become more natural.
Could you please tell me how I can find the nearest bus stop from here?
Sure. Walk straight for a short distance and then turn left. It is nearby.
Thank you so much for helping me. That was really very kind of you today.
You are very welcome. I'm happy that I was able to help you like this.
Is it already late, or do we still have a little time to continue walking?
We still have some time. There's no need to hurry anywhere at the moment.
What do you usually do after work in the evening when you return home?
I usually eat dinner, relax a bit, and then go to sleep early at night.
It was very nice talking with you today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
It was very nice talking to you too. I hope your day continues happily also.
How is your afternoon going so far? Does it feel busy or calm for you?
It is not too busy today. I am taking things slowly and staying calm now.
I just wanted to call and check if everything is going well today with you.
Yes, everything is going fine today. Thank you for checking in with me.
This market looks very colorful today. Do you usually shop here often?
Yes, I like shopping here because the food is fresh and feels local, too.
These apples look very good. Do you think they will taste sweet today?
Yes, I bought them before and they were very fresh and really tasty.
Maybe we can ask the shopkeeper for a better price with a friendly smile.
A smile helps a lot. Even if the price stays the same, it feels nicer.
Walking like this in the park really helps me feel relaxed and calm today.
I feel the same way. Walking slowly clears my head and feels very refreshing.
Do you try to stay healthy by walking or doing simple exercise every day?
Yes, I try to do small activities each day. They really help my energy.
Let's sit here for a minute and enjoy the calm and peaceful moment today.
That sounds perfect. Resting here makes my feet and mind feel very good.
Even the birds look very relaxed today. Maybe they have no work at all.
I wish I could be a bird sometimes, flying freely without meetings at all.
The evening light looks so beautiful. It makes the city feel very peaceful.
Yes, evenings like this help me forget stress and enjoy the calm outside.
Do you already know what you want to eat tonight, or are you still deciding?
Not yet. I feel like something warm and simple will taste very good tonight.
This restaurant looks very cozy. Should we try it for dinner tonight here?
Yes, it looks simple and comfortable. I think the food will be very good.
Waiting for our food feels easier when the restaurant is calm and quiet.
I agree. Calm places make waiting more pleasant, and food tastes better too.
This food smells amazing. I cannot wait to try it and see how it tastes.
Yes, the smell is very nice already. I'm excited to take my first bite now.
That was really delicious. I truly enjoyed the simple flavors in this meal.
Me too. Sometimes the simplest dishes can be the most enjoyable and tasty.
The night feels calm and quiet. It is a very nice feeling to enjoy this.
Yes, the peaceful night makes walking slowly feel very relaxing and easy.
I think I will sleep well tonight after this calm and peaceful night walk.
I feel the same way. Fresh air always makes my sleep feel deeper and better.
Do you have a busy day planned for tomorrow, or is it going to be easy?
It should be a normal day. Nothing too stressful as planned for tomorrow now.
You handle your days very well. Keep that calm energy every single day.
Thank you. It feels good to hear that, and it motivates me even more today.
Good night. I hope you rest well and have a peaceful sleep tonight.
Good night to you too. Sleep peacefully and have a calm and happy night.
Good morning. The day looks fresh and it feels so peaceful this morning.
Good morning. I feel ready to start the day and enjoy it calmly today.
Let's take today slowly, step by step, and enjoy each moment fully.
That sounds like a good plan.
I will take my time and not rush at all.
Speaking English every day will really help you improve quickly now.
Yes, practicing daily makes me feel more confident when I speak slowly.
What time do you usually start your day? Do you wake up very early?
I usually wake up early, around 7, to begin my day calmly and fresh.
That sounds like a healthy and calm daily routine you have every day.
It really helps me stay organized and relaxed throughout the entire day.
You are speaking English very clearly now. Keep trusting yourself every day.
Thank you. It feels great to hear that. I will keep practicing every day.
See you later. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and feel happy.
You too. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day today, always.